Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing OnePlus Nord 5 versus Xiaomi Poco F7. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones.
Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM,
CPU, GPU, chipset, Geekbench Score, battery capacity, charging speed,
camera, selfie camera, selfie camera video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, main camera video,
sound, loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphone's price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.